Today I finally found a free picture-to-video AI tool. I learned to join the Discord server. From AI Hustlewise. At the prompt, type /create. To insert image, you need type a before click. +1 image. For this example, I drag and drop. Hard to decide. Finally found one example. Now change the letter A to actual prompt. I decided to input smiling and chit-chatting. There are a few options. GS8-24. Neg, remove extra hand. AR16:9. Seed is copy something created. Motino 1-4. It takes a while joining the queue. Finally it's done. It was originally picture. Now her eyes move like real person. There is a download button to download the video.